beautiful morning. Yeah, the sun in my morning, babe. Nothing in the water.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's Active here, coming at you guys with another video. If you guys noticed, I did not say Excel anymore because Excel has ended. Excel is done. I ended it because a lot of shit happened with it. And yeah. So right now I'm looking for a team, GFX designer / editor. Yeah. So I'm just looking for a team. Also, just want to say, new banner should be coming out soon because my old banner's like messed up, and also a new logo should be coming out soon. I'm working on both of those things right now, actually. So yeah. Either way, I might start doing speed art on this channel. I don't know officially yet, but a lot of updates coming to the channel. So yeah, I'm really happy for this. Yeah. Also, I really want to get into a pretty good team. Yeah. Again, I do GFX designing, and yeah, I really want to get into a team. I don't like being solo just because, I don't know, I just like having members and stuff, and I think it's pretty cool to be in a team where people help you out and stuff. It's pretty cool, actually. I had it for a bit, and then everyone left my team, but I've been in, had my own team. I was in a 1K team, and then I left that to start up a new team, which was Excel. So yeah, but either way, I'm looking for a team right now. So if you guys would want me in or whatever, my Twitter is in the description. It's at ActiveGaming950. So yeah, just DM me on there, and yeah, we can talk or whatever about how, if you want me in your team. So yeah, either way, yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.
I'm at an all-time low.